Hi, I want to give you a quick introduction to the corrections feedback feature of Cloud Poodle Assignment Feedback for Moodle. So one of the things that we want to do when students submit an audio or video recording or a passage of text is to correct their English or whatever language it is that they're submitting in. And the corrections feedback feature is designed to make that process a little bit easier than it is now, a little bit less clunky than it is now. So let's go and have a look at a submission by a student. And we have one down here that I think is a good one for us to look at. That's here by Noah. And Noah is actually the user that we're logged in as. So we're a teacher and a student on this course to make life a little bit easier. So Noah has made a video submission, and we can see the transcript of Noah's speaking here. And we're going to use that transcript to correct Noah's English. So we click on the corrections feedback icon, and we can press fetch submitted text here, and that will get the text from his transcript and put it into this location here. Or if it's an online text submission, it will also fetch the text from the online text submission. In this case, Noah's English is not too bad, so we're not going to get very many corrections. So I've made a slightly different version of his speaking so that we can see how the corrections look. We could type in the corrections here if we wanted to, but let's first of all get grammar suggestions from AI, and that will give us something to start with. So we can see a preview here of what that's going to look like to the student. We highlight the differences between the student speaking and the corrections so they can see clearly how the teacher has corrected their speaking or their writing. We can, if we don't want to change, for example, cannot, we've got cannot has been changed to cannot. If we think that's okay, we can just put that back as cannot like that, and that will be removed from the corrections in the area here. And when we're done with that, we just press Save Changes, and the student's text has been corrected, and that will be available for them to see when they go to review their assignment submission. So let's go back to the assignment submission page. We're logged in as Noah, so we'll see what Noah sees. First of all, he can see his submission. If we go back down, we can see the corrections that the teacher has made. If Noah mouses over or taps any of those corrections, they can see the location in the original passage that has been corrected for them. Okay, so that should make teachers' life a little bit easier and should be helpful for students too.
Poodle, empowering teachers and transforming language learning. Get started today.